Hey everybody, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the author of The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, now available in German, and this is where I show you recipes for healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. I'm taking a departure from doing my usual recipes from my book and doing a few weeks recipes from another chef, and that chef is my dear friend Kathy Hester. Kathy is the author of many books, including Vegan Cooking for the Air Fryer, The Easy Vegan Cookbook, Outrageous Oatmeal. But today I'm going to do a recipe from her latest book, Gluten-Free Vegan Cooking in Your Instant Pot. So the way this came about is I run a program called Lose Weight with a Full Plate, and one of the ladies said, what can I do to make a really delicious salt-free seasoning, because I live in Australia and I can't get Benson's Table Tasty. Well, Benson's Table Tasty is pretty much my favorite salt-free seasoning, and you can get it at bensonsgourmetseasonings.com or on Amazon, but if you go to the company's website, you can get 10% off with a code AJ, but apparently not everybody can get it, and some people like making things from scratch. And it just so happens that in her book, Kathy has a recipe for what she calls my favorite salt-free seasoning blend. And she has given me permission to make the recipe and actually give you all the measurements. Now, I'm not going to say the measurements, but don't worry. If you click that little thing right below the video that says more, the recipe will be written out. Compliments of Kathy. Now, this calls for 11 different herbs and spices. So it might be something that you have to invest in if you don't have every single herb and spice available. I was very lucky that I actually had 10 out of the 11. The only one I was missing was marjoram, and I called Kathy and she said that I could substitute oregano instead. Now that sounds like a lot of spices, I know, for one recipe, but when you look at the ingredients of Benson's Table Tasty, it also has 11 herbs and spices. So I've already measured them out right here in my beautiful Holland bowl. You can see how pretty they are. And I'm going to place them in a blender. You could also use a food processor or a spice grinder. Just make sure anytime you're grinding spices or nuts or herbs for that matter, your blender is completely dry, because if there was one drop of water in here, oh boy, we would not have a dry spice mix. So this is the nutritional yeast. I recommend a good non-fortified brand like celery. I can give you a link to my Amazon store. And I have all the spices that I've already measured that I'm now going to carefully put in my blender. What I love about the Holland Bowl Mill is you can get them personalized with anything you want, absolutely free. And now I'm just going to blend it. It smells good. Oh boy. And so now what I'm going to do is, I bought this at a restaurant supply store. I use this to keep my faux parmesan that I can always sprinkle on things like soup, stews, chilies, and steamed vegetables. This was about $1 at a restaurant supply store. And I'm just going to put it in here with a little funnel. And that way I can put it on the table and people can add the seasoning as they like it. Kathy does a lot of the DIY seasoning blends. She has one for a flavor that tastes just like barbecue potato chips that you can put on potatoes. She really is a wizard when it comes to recipe creation. And what I love about her is she includes everybody. So if you're gluten-free, no problem. Oil-free, no problem. Sugar-free, no problem. Salt-free, no problem. She makes everyone feel welcome. She's a great teacher and recipe creator. So there we have it. I don't have anything to put it on, but let's see how it tastes. It's really good. So if you don't want to get Benson's Table Tasty and you like doing things from scratch, why not give Kathy's favorite salt-free seasoning a try? But if you're anything like me and like everything already done for you, I mean, let's face it, I buy all my organic vegetables washed and chopped, and I buy even my onions chopped. Our good friends Nick and Evelyn at Local Spicery have created seasoning packets based on my recipes from The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss. So if you want to make, for example, my black bean soup, my nutrient-rich black bean soup, or my red lentil chili, you can buy this already made. And It's even got the recipe printed on the inside as well as the pre-measured seasoning. So they do this for a lot of my recipes. So thanks, Nick and Evelyn. These are great spices, organic, non-irritated. Give them a try too. So there you have it, DIY salt-free seasoning. I think you'll enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Chef AJ, and I make healthy taste delicious.